What's next? Confused?
We are Zoople Technologies, Kerala's #1 Software Training Institute. Let's go! ഇന്ത്യയിലും വിദേശത്തും നിരവധി ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് ഉള്ള ജോബ് ഓറിയന്റഡ് IT കോഴ്സസ് ആണ് Zoople പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. We have 15 years of experience in the IT training industry. You know, we have one more major speciality, and that's Webcastle. Webcastle is a global technology company having its presence in UAE, India, KSA, USA and Canada. 15 years of experience, 250 plus employees, 2000 plus clients. Zoople Technologies, the part of Webcastle. അതാണ് സൂപ്പിളിനെ വേറിട്ട് നിർത്തുന്നതും. We offer real-time project experience with industry expert trainees. Let's look at the varieties of courses offered at Zoople. Here we have digital marketing, UIUX designing, data science, AI/ML, big data, full stack development courses, mobile app development courses, and software testing. 14,000 plus students completed successfully the training from Zoople. Zoople not only provides educational courses but also prepares you for the job market with HR sessions and mock interviews. Also ensures a lifetime placement assistance. Then what's next? You got the answer, right?
Let's start your journey with Zoople. Train, learn, achieve.